In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix HubSpot issues today using simple step-by-step troubleshooting that works in most situations. If your HubSpot dashboard isn't loading, workflows aren't triggering, emails aren't sending, or your CRM feels broken, don't panic. Most HubSpot issues are temporary or browser-related, and you can usually fix them in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this helps you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. The first and most important step is to check if HubSpot is actually down. This is the most common fix that people overlook. Open your browser and go to status.hubspot.com. This is HubSpot's official system status page. Once the page loads, look at the current system indicators. If you see a red major outage notice, that means the issue is on HubSpot's side, not yours. In that case, there's nothing you need to fix. You simply wait until HubSpot restores service. If you see a yellow partial outage, that means certain tools like workflows, email, or CRM features may be temporarily unavailable. Again, this is not your fault. But if everything shows green and says operational, then the issue is likely on your side, and we move to the next step. Step 2 is disabling browser extensions. Extensions are one of the biggest causes of HubSpot loading problems. In Google Chrome, go to chrome://extensions in your address bar and press enter. You'll see a list of installed extensions. Temporarily turn off AdBlock or uBlock, Ghostery, cookie blockers, script blockers, and any VPN extensions. These tools can interfere with HubSpot scripts and prevent pages from loading correctly. After disabling them, refresh HubSpot and see if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't fix it, move to step 3, which is clearing browser-level data. In Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies. Make sure you don't accidentally clear saved passwords unless you want to. Then click Clear. Once it finishes, completely restart your browser and reopen HubSpot. This fixes most loading glitches and session errors. Step 4 is trying another browser. Open HubSpot in Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. If HubSpot works perfectly in a different browser, then you know the issue is isolated to your original browser setup. That confirms it's a configuration or extension problem, rather than an account issue. Finally, step 5 is logging out and back in. Sometimes session tokens expire or become corrupted. Click your profile picture inside HubSpot and select Log Out. Then go to app.hubspot.com/login and sign back in. This refreshes your authentication session and can instantly resolve strange behavior. And that's it. Those are the fastest ways to fix HubSpot issues today without contacting support. Start by checking the status page, disable extensions, clear your cache and cookies, test another browser, and log out and back in. One of these steps solves the problem almost every time. If this video helped you fix your HubSpot issue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.